4 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Заяц и черепаха. Страница 88, 90, 91. English. Spotlight for. Homework. The Hare and the Tortoise. Page number 88, 90, 91. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88, 88. We begin our walk. Arthur plus Rascal. Episode number 5. Артур и Раскал. Arthur, what time is it? It's 4:30. Oh, goody. Time for my favorite program. Oh, what's this? I hate watching scary films. Arthur, wake up. Scooby-Doo was not on TV. It's usually on now. Silly dog. It's 4:30 in the morning. Oh. Arthur, can I sleep in your basket? Oh, all right then. Good night, Rascal. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 90, 90. The Hare and the Tortoise. Exercise number 1. Listen and read. Заяц и черепаха. Послушайте и прочитайте. Once upon a time, there was a very fast hare and a very slow tortoise. The hare always laughed at the tortoise because he was so slow. All the animals were tired of listening to the hare. Then one day the tortoise surprised them all. Let's have a race tomorrow then. The next day, when they started the race, the hare jumped forward. Very soon, he was far ahead of the tortoise. It was a very sunny day, and the hare was very hot. There's a tree. I can rest under it. A few hours later, the tortoise passed the sleeping hare. Suddenly, the hare opened his eyes and looked around. He saw the tortoise at the finish line. The tortoise was the winner. The hare learned his lesson that day. Keep on going and don't stop until you cross the finish line. Once upon a time, tomorrow, forward, ahead of, rest. Suddenly, cross. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 91. 91. We must do exercise number 2. Read and put H for Hare and T for Tortoise. Прочитай предложение и напиши H, если говорится о зайце, Hare, и T, если говорят о черепахе, Tortoise. The answer. He always laughed at him. He surprised them all. He jumped forward. He passed him. Suddenly, he opened his eyes. She was the winner. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. What lesson do you learn from the story? Чему учит эта история? Keep on going and don't stop until you cross the finish line. Exercise number 4. Let's play. Давай поиграем. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn